birth control makes you gain weight and other things my mother did not tell me about sex. An annotated list. A. Birth control makes you gain weight. At first, you think it's just happy relationship weight, but it keeps coming, and you're halfway through your bowl of pickles and ice cream before you realize those tiny motherfuckers make you think your body's pregnant. B. The list of intimate acts is more than 3 bases long, and a home run is crossing pinkies when you're too scared to hold hands. C. Like your junior prom, your first time will not be TV series montage perfect. It will be awkward and fumbling, and you will be asked where the hole is. D. There's a reason they call them blow jobs. E. Planned Parenthood isn't evil, and my confidence was shaken much more by the Catholic women praying for my non-existent unborn child as I entered the building than it ever was by the nurse asking if I felt safe in my relationship. F. A good man will still want to hold me when I tell him I have nothing left to give. G. Sweaters get stuck on heads, and little black dresses get caught on bra straps, and sex in socks is a lot hotter than it sounds because warm feet make the female orgasm that much less mythical. H. The female orgasm is not mythical. I. The V card is because virginity is a social construct. J. Having sex for the first time is not loss of innocence but gain of experience. K. Hymens aren't supposed to rip, and if you bleed, he's doing it wrong. L. Love is not a prerequisite. M. Balls are the weirdest contraption known to womankind, and he may or may not understand your fascination with them. N. You will not be able to say the word balls with a straight face, even though you haven't been a 5th grader for over 10 years. O. There are different types of orgasms, and not all orgasms are created equal. P. A good orgasm feels like seeing the ocean for the first time. Q. It's okay to say yes. R. It's okay to say no. S. Laughter is the strongest discovered aphrodisiac. T. There's a time for fucking and a time for making love. U. Run far and run fast if he expects things he is unwilling to provide. V. Car sex is a lot fucking harder than it looks. W. Car sex in a Geo Metro should only be attempted by a licensed contortionist. X. There are a lot of people out there who would want to touch your boobs. And Y. Their hands will feel good. But see, his will feel like coming home.